Revision is the key to your success because to recall what you have studied, you need to revise. So here Unique Shiksha brings you the quick revision capsules to ease your preparation for UPSC Civil Services exam. Please join us and make your preparation smarter. This session is about the policy of ring fences, which was followed by the first Governor General of Bengal, Warren Hastings. This policy aimed at creating buffer zones to defend the company's frontiers. According to this policy, buffer zones were created between East India Company frontiers and other major military powers. These buffer states were also given the promise that they would never be annexed by the British East India Company, and protection from external aggression would also be provided to them. For example, Awadh was made the buffer state to defend the territories of the British East India Company in Bengal from the Afghan invasion. And also the British East India Company agreed to protect Awadh on the condition that the Nawab of Awadh will bear all the expenses. Here you can see in the map also that how the strategic location of Awadh was utilized by British East India Company to protect its newly acquired territories in Bengal from the Afghans. Therefore, we can say that the states brought under the ring fences system were required to maintain subsidiary forces that were to be organized, equipped, and commanded by the officers of the East India Company, who in turn were to be paid by the rulers of these states. So, this was about the policy of ring fences. Please practice this question in 250 words. And if you find this concept useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.